Got a door ding? Don't repaint it, repair it the smarter way. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we specialize in paintless dent repair, removing door dings, shopping cart dents, parking lot damage, minor dents, and creases, all while preserving your vehicle's original factory paint. No sanding, no body filler, no repainting, just professional results that make your dent look like it was never there. Watch a damaged panel transform back to its original condition using advanced paintless dent repair techniques. You'll see the before and after results and why thousands of customers trust Angelo Dent Removal Inc. for high-quality dent repair. Over 30 years of paintless dent repair experience, repairing dents without repainting. Preserve your factory finish and vehicle value. Door dings, minor dents, body line dents, and hail damage. Fast, professional service. Free consultations. Insurance claims welcome. Visit either of our 2 convenient locations in San Angelo, Texas. Call today, 325-703-6149. Stop by and let us show you why PDR is the preferred method for repairing dents without repainting. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing dent repair transformations and customer success stories.